everyone, today we're going to be making lentil bolognese. So first we have 2 tablespoons of oil into this pot, 3 crushed garlics, 2 chopped onions and 2 chopped sweet peppers. And we leave that to cook down and see after it's done. Now this is cooked, we're going to add in 1 cup of washed green lentils, 1 tin tomato, and 1 cup of water. Then you stir that in, and then you add a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning and paprika and a teaspoon of black pepper and thyme. And then you stir this in. And then you leave that to cook for 30 minutes. See you after it's done. Now the lentils are finished, it's time to plate. Thank you for watching and see you next time. I'm gonna dig in.